Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Andreux. Before we begin, if you are interested in learning more about computers and cybersecurity, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now, let's get started. Today, I will show you how to install Windows 11 from scratch. By the end of this video, you know how to download Windows, how to create a bootable USB, how to boot from the USB, and what to do after the installation. Let's begin. Before installing Windows, make sure you have a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage, another Windows computer connected to the internet. If your USB contains important files, back them up because it will be erased during this process. So open your browser and go to Microsoft official Windows download page. So let's search for Windows 11. Windows 11 download. So let's click on the first link. So look for download Windows 11 disk image. To select download, we have to select Windows 11 multi edition. Yes. Before you begin downloading an ISO, so let's read what's here. An internet connection is sufficient. Okay, so you can read this. Let's click on confirm. So you have to select the product language. Okay, I will choose English International. Then confirm. So download Windows 11 English International. Yes. Download. So we will wait for download to complete. It's around 7.9 gigabytes. So you have to give it some time. Always download Windows from the Microsoft official website instead of random website. So download is complete. We have to make our USB bootable. So we have to plug in our USB. After that, download the media creation tool. So create Windows 11 installation media. Click on download. Okay. So after downloading, make sure you have plugged in your pen drive. It should be at least 8 gigabytes. You have to double click on this, the media creation tool, then select yes. We have to accept the license agreement. Then next. So we have to choose the installation media. We are going by our USB flash drive. So next. Okay, so that's our USB disk. So next. So we are creating a bootable USB. So the tool will now download Windows and create a bootable USB. Depending on your internet speed, this may take some time. Once it's finished, safely eject the USB. Now, it's time to insert the USB into the computer where we want to install the Windows. After inserting the USB, restart the computer. While it's turning on, press the boot menu key. Depending on your manufacturer, it can be F12, F10, Escape, or another key. In my case, it's F9. If you are not sure, search for your computer model, followed by boot money key. Select your USB. So the Windows installer should start now. So choose your language. I will maintain this for now. Then time and currency as well. I will maintain this for now. Then click on next. So choose a keyboard. You can select the keyboard you want. So let me maintain this for now and click on next. So I agree. Everything will be deleted, including files, app, and setting. So I will agree for now. So yeah, next. So you can read the licenses, then click on accept. This is one of the most important steps. If you are reinstalling Windows and don't need the old files, you can delete the old Windows partition before installing. Be careful. Deleting partitions permanently remove the data stored on them. If you are unsure, stop here and make sure you back up everything important first. Once you've selected the correct drive or unallocated space, click next. So I will select this. I have to delete all the partitions. Delete partition. So we have to select this unallocated space, then click next. Install. So your computer may restart several times. That's completely normal. So after installation complete, Windows will ask you to choose your country. So let me choose United Kingdom. Yes. Then choose your keyboard layout. Here I will choose United States. Skip. Okay, so let me add my Wi-Fi. Okay. So next, retry. So create a username. So set up for personal use. Then next. Okay, so sign in. So you can sign in with your Microsoft account, or if you don't have one, you can create a new one, or you can use a different sign-in option. So you can use face fingerprint, use your device to sign in with a passkey. So in this case, you need a USB device. So we don't have a USB device at the moment, so let's go back. Let's cancel this. Sign in. Then create a new one. Okay, so let me enter my name, Andreux. Okay, so this one should be different from my username. So let me create a password. Then next, confirm the password. Then next, uh, security questions. So what's your first pet's name? Let me King. Next, question number 2. What's the name of the city you were born? What's your childhood nickname? Say Isco. Then question number 3. Say KNUSD. Next, skip for now. Next, accept. Congratulations, Windows is now installed. And that's it. You now know how to install Windows 11 from scratch. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like because it really supports the channel. If you have any questions or run into any problems during the installation, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.